Welcome back to AgriTech Smart. Today, we're delving into the fascinating process of cultivating and harvesting carrots, one of the most beloved root vegetables worldwide. Join us as we uncover the techniques, tools, and care required to bring these vibrant orange treasures from the field to your table. Carrots, one of the world's most versatile and beloved vegetables, are a staple in kitchens and farms alike, known for their vibrant orange hue. Though also available in shades of purple, yellow, red, and white, carrots are prized for their sweet flavor and crunchy texture. They are not just a culinary favorite but also a nutritional powerhouse, packed with beta-carotene, vitamins, and antioxidants that promote good health. Cultivated for thousands of years, carrots thrive in a variety of climates and are integral to global agriculture. Their adaptability and demand make them a significant crop for farmers, whether grown for fresh consumption, juicing, or processing. With modern farming techniques enhancing yield and quality, carrots continue to play a crucial role in feeding the world. Carrot farming begins with understanding the specific requirements of this versatile root vegetable, which is renowned for its adaptability and nutritional benefits. The journey from seed to field involves careful planning, soil preparation, and ongoing care to ensure a healthy and abundant harvest. The first step in growing carrots is selecting the appropriate variety. Carrots come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, ranging from traditional orange to purple, red, yellow, and even white. Farmers consider factors such as soil type, climate, and intended market use when making their selection. Some varieties are better suited for fresh consumption, while others excel in processing or storage. Carrots thrive in well-drained, loose, sandy loam soil that promotes straight root development. Before planting, the field is meticulously prepared. Soil is deeply tilled to a depth of 12 to 16 inches, ensuring there are no rocks, clumps, or debris that might impede the growth of the roots. Proper leveling of the field is essential to prevent waterlogging, as carrots are highly sensitive to excessive moisture. To enhance soil fertility, organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure is incorporated. The soil's pH level is adjusted to fall within the ideal range of 6.0 to 6.8, creating a favorable environment for seed germination and root development. Carrot seeds are tiny and require precise handling during planting. Direct sowing is the most common method, as carrots do not transplant well due to their delicate root structure. Farmers plant the seeds in shallow furrows, typically 0.25 to 0.5 inches deep, to ensure they are not buried too deeply. Proper spacing is crucial to allow each carrot sufficient room to grow. Rows are usually spaced 12 to 18 inches apart. For larger-scale operations, precision seeders are employed to achieve uniform planting depth and spacing. This mechanized approach enhances efficiency and promotes consistent crop development. Consistent moisture is vital during the germination and early growth stages of carrots. Farmers employ drip irrigation systems to provide a steady supply of water while minimizing waste. Overwatering is avoided, as excessive moisture can lead to root rot and other fungal diseases. During the growing season, carrots require about 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week. Monitoring soil moisture levels helps ensure that the plants receive adequate hydration without becoming waterlogged. Carrots are heavy feeders and require a balanced supply of nutrients throughout their growth cycle. Farmers apply fertilizers rich in potassium and phosphorus to promote root development while avoiding excessive nitrogen, which can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of the roots. Organic farmers often rely on natural fertilizers, such as bone meal and rock phosphate, to meet the plant's nutrient needs. Regular soil testing ensures that nutrient levels remain optimal. Carrot harvesting is a delicate yet straightforward process. Timing is everything, as the sweetness and size of carrots depend on the harvest period. Generally, carrots are ready for harvest 70 to 100 days after planting, depending on the variety. The vibrant tops signal maturity, while a quick tug test can confirm the size and readiness of the root. For small-scale farming or home gardens, hand pulling is common. Farmers grasp the tops firmly near the base and gently pull to avoid breaking the root. For larger-scale operations, mechanical harvesters are employed. These machines are equipped with belts and conveyors that carefully lift the carrots from the soil, shake off excess dirt, and transport them for processing. Technological advancements have revolutionized carrot farming, making the process faster and more efficient. Precision agriculture tools help monitor soil health, moisture levels, and pest infestations, ensuring optimal growth conditions. Automated irrigation systems provide consistent watering, conserving water and reducing manual labor. During harvesting, advanced machinery like carrot toppers and harvesters streamline the process. Toppers trim the leafy greens, while harvesters extract and sort the roots efficiently. This technology reduces labor costs, increases yield, and ensures minimal damage to the crop. Once harvested, carrots undergo a series of post-harvest treatments to maintain freshness and quality. They are washed to remove soil and debris, graded based on size and color, and packaged for distribution. Pre-cooling techniques are used to extend shelf life and preserve sweetness. Modern carrot farming incorporates sustainable practices to minimize environmental impact. Crop rotation is employed to prevent soil depletion and reduce pest and disease pressure. Organic farming practices, including natural fertilizers and biological pest control, are gaining popularity among environmentally conscious growers. Carrot farming combines traditional agricultural practices with cutting-edge technology to produce one of the world's most beloved vegetables. Carrot farming, with its blend of traditional practices and modern advancements, exemplifies the harmony between nature and technology. From the careful selection of seeds to the meticulous harvesting process, every step in carrot cultivation reflects dedication and precision. The vibrant orange roots, nurtured with care, eventually find their way into kitchens and markets, bringing nutrition and flavor to countless dishes. As the journey of growing and harvesting carrots concludes, the story of their impact begins. Carrots symbolize the rewards of hard work, adaptability, and innovation in agriculture, reminding us of the essential role farmers play in our daily lives. Whether served raw, cooked, or juiced, these humble vegetables connect us to the soil and to the people who make sustainable farming a reality. Don't miss out on more exciting farming stories and insights. Subscribe to AgriTech Smart today and join our growing community dedicated to celebrating the wonders of agriculture.